Insert the light well object in your BIM model. The open wall section identifies the side to position against the building envelope. Use the function keys to orient it correctly. Position it relative to the opening. And define the correct rotation using the object grip. You can insert the light well directly into 3D view. Position it according to the reference point. Adjust the height using the directional cube. Or specify other geometrical details in the Properties toolbox.